Want all your Google Form answers to appear automatically in Google Sheets? Here's the quickest way to link them together, so you don't have to copy and paste responses manually. First, open the Google form you've created. This could be a survey, a quiz, or even a registration form. Once you're inside your form, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Let's focus on the one for responses. Click on the Responses tab at the top. This is where all answers will show up inside the form itself. On the right-hand side of this tab, you'll see a small green Sheets icon. That icon is what lets us send these responses directly into Google Sheets. A new window will pop up and appear asking you where you want your responses to be saved. When your file picker opens, browse through your drive and select the Google Sheet you want to use. Click Select, and Google Forms will connect to that sheet instantly. Once you confirm, the form and the sheet are now linked together. Your chosen Google Sheet will open automatically in a new tab. You'll see column headers created based on your form's question. From now on, every response submitted through the form will appear here, line by line in real time. You can even keep the sheet open during a live for submission to watch answers flow in immediately. And that's how you link your Google Form to an existing Google Sheet. Perfect for saving time and staying organized. No more copying answers manually.